All right, welcome back everyone. Okay, take your time, be patient. We're able to get the cap back on. I used the back end of the screwdriver. I got in here. I used this mount as a wedge and basically just kind of found the middle here. Was able to move this. Again, this hose moves. It's just was cooked on the back. Was able to get in there, use this mount, basically get pressure on it, and we're all snapped in. Okay, so we're all snapped in. We're good. Hopefully, with kind of the jostling around and stuff, I was careful enough that I didn't actually damage the diaphragm going in. I don't think so. It seemed to be pretty resilient. But as you can see, there's no seam here. Everything is snapped down to, there we go, right on the flange and everything. And I was able to go right down here with my hand in front of the radiator hoses and what else? We got AC lines, and I was able to actually pick up the unidentified spatula. So, you know, flat pick tool, you know, things like that. Probably better. Again, like I said, my pick tools are on the way. So we will now basically account for our tools. Boom. Putty knife, screwdriver, other flashlight. Okay. iPad out of the way. Good. Okay. So now we can reassemble very simply. Snorkel goes down, slides in, and press, snap. Good. Snorkel. This has little notches on it, if you can see. There are notches that are right here. Basically, it says to go in kind of like here, where they are. Get it in and turn. Oh, sorry. Find a place for this. No real good places. No real good places. So I was able to find this. This was actually disconnected when I got the car. So I'm clipped in here, and I see it's just a small little twist. Sorry. All right, so let me disconnect this. Again, it's just a very small, so the pressure goes in that way. Then we just twist slightly. Okay. Twist, slight twist. A little bit of coercion on this side over here. Again, pick tool would be nice. You can use the screwdriver or the putty knife. I'll just move this air ducting a little bit just to get us in the right position. There we go. And we'll snap right in. Okay, so we're snapped in.